Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss inserting geometric means in a geometric sequence. Kung bago ka lang napadpad sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na para tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-aaral. All levels ng high school mathematics ang ini-upload dito. Before we proceed, know this first. Geometric mean the terms between two non-consecutive terms in a geometric sequence. Let M be a geometric mean between two numbers A and B. Then A and B forms a geometric sequence so that A over M equals M over B or M squared equals AB. Example 1. Find the geometric mean between 4 and 25. Given A equals 4 and B equals 25. For the solution, the formula is A over M equals M over B. By substitution, we have A equals 4, B equals 25. So we have 4 over M equals M over 25. By cross product, so we have 4 times 25 equals M squared. 4 times 25 equals 100. Then get the square root both sides. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of M squared is M. So we have M equals 10. Therefore, the geometric mean between 4 and 25 is 10. Example 2. Insert 3 geometric means between 4 and 324. To illustrate the problem, we have 4, 1, 2, 3 geometric means and 324. A sub 1 equals 4, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4 are the 3 geometric means missing, and the fifth, A sub n or A sub 5, the last term is 324. N or the number of terms equals 5, common ratio or R is missing. To solve, we will use the formula A sub n equals A sub 1 R raised to the n minus 1. To substitute the values on the formula, A sub n equals 324, A sub 1 equals 4, R is missing, raised to the n minus 1 equals 5 minus 1. Simplify the exponent, R to the 5 minus 1 equals R to the 4th. To remove the coefficient 4 from 4R to the 4th, divide both sides by 4, so cancel 4, so we have R to the 4th. 324 divided by 4 equals 81. To remove the exponent 4 from R, extract 4th root both sides. 4th root of R to the 4th is R. 4th root of 81 equals 3. So therefore, R equals 3. To get the first geometric mean, 3 will be multiplied to the first term 4. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Our second term is 12. To get the third term, 3 will be multiplied to 12, which is equal to 36. 36 is our third term. To get the fourth term, 3 will be multiplied to 36 equals 108. So our third geometric mean is 108. Therefore, the 3 geometric means between 4 and 324 are 12, 36, and 108. Example 3. Insert 2 geometric means between 15 and negative 1,875. To illustrate the problem, we have 15, 2 blanks for the 2 missing geometric means, and negative 1,875. For our givens, A sub 1 equals 15, A sub 4 or A sub n equals negative 1,875, and equals 4, and R is question mark. Substituting the values on the formula, we have A sub n equals negative 1,875, A sub 1 equals 15, n equals 4. First, simplify the exponent. 4 minus 1 equals 3. To remove the coefficient 15 from R cubed, divide both sides by 15. Cancel 15, so we have R cubed. Negative 1,875 divided by 15 equals negative 125. To remove the exponent 3, extract cube root both sides. cube root of r cube is r. Cube root of negative 125 equals negative 5. Meaning, the common ratio is negative 5. To get the second term or the first geometric mean, negative 5 will be multiplied to the first term, 15. If multiplied equals negative 75. Negative 75 is the second term. To get the third term, negative 5 will be multiplied to the second term, which is negative 75. Its product is 375, which is the third term. Therefore, the two geometric means between 15 and negative 1,875 are negative 75 and 375. Sa muli, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video, please like. At pakishare mo na rin sa iba para mas marami pa ang ating matulungan.